English conversation practice.
What's your name? What's your name?
I'm Emma. I'm Emma.
Where are you from? Where are you from?
I'm originally from San Francisco. I'm originally from San Francisco.
How old are you? How old are you?
I'm 31 years old. I'm 31 years old.
What do you do for a living? What do you do for a living?
I am a pilot. I am a pilot.
Do you have any siblings? Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have 2 younger sisters. Yes, I have 2 younger sisters.
What are your hobbies? What are your hobbies?
I enjoy playing tennis and photography. I enjoy playing tennis and photography.
Have you traveled to any interesting places? Have you traveled to any interesting places?
Yes, I've traveled to Thailand and Brazil. Yes, I've traveled to Thailand and Brazil.
What's your favorite cuisine? What's your favorite cuisine?
I love Mexican and Japanese cuisine. I love Mexican and Japanese cuisine.
Do you have any pets? Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a parrot. Yes, I have a parrot.
What's your favorite movie genre? What's your favorite movie genre?
I enjoy watching romantic comedies and documentaries. I enjoy watching romantic comedies and documentaries.
Where would be your dream vacation destination? Where would be your dream vacation destination?
My dream vacation destination is the France. My dream vacation destination is the France.
Do you enjoy outdoor activities? Do you enjoy outdoor activities?
Yes, I love outdoor activities like hiking and swimming. Yes, I love outdoor activities like hiking and swimming.
Are you a morning person or a night owl? Are you a morning person or a night owl?
I'm more of a night owl. I'm more of a night owl.
What's your favorite season? What's your favorite season?
I love summer. I love summer.